Wow, do I look nice and pale? I look like a snow angel. It's funny how you can kind of tell when people have just woken up in the morning because I look like sleep. You know what I'm saying? Do you guys ever look like sleep? I'm sure everybody looks like sleep when they wake up in the morning. Anyway, so today's video is we're going to be playing around with a few beauty bakery items. I made, as you know, Beauty Bakerie is now at Ulta. Well, a lot of their collection, not everything, but a lot of it is now at Ulta. And as soon as I saw it, that it was coming to Ulta, I desperately wanted to pick a couple things up. Some things in specific that I really wanted. So in this video, we're just going to be playing around. I'm going to be showing you the 3 items that I picked up from Beauty Bakerie. And we're going to be testing them out on my face. And I've actually been using these products, so I have a little bit of information to give you on them. So if you are interested in Beauty Bakerie and what I have to say about them, then let's just head into video. So Beauty Bakerie is a Black-owned brand, if that's what they call it. An African-American woman started the company, and I will link their actual website down below. The story is actually quite beautiful, and it's very nice to see that, you know, if you want something to happen, you can make it happen. You know, like it's a beautiful thing, and their motto is better, not bitter. And it's just the whole play on food items and makeup. It's just, I really like their brand. And I really hope that they expand more into Ulta. I think it's a great accomplishment that they are in Ulta. And I hope their brand continues to grow. But let's just talk about the 3 makeup products that I picked up. I got the baking oil, which at first I was like, baking oil, so do I only use it when I'm baking my face? Like when I'm using setting powder, or what do I do? But no, it's just a face oil. And I got the flower, which is a setting powder. So cute. And I got the Milk and Honey's eyeshadow palette. And I must say, the Milk and Honey eyeshadow palette was what I was most excited about. I saw this on Trendmood's website. I think I've told this story like a million times. I saw this on Trendmood's Instagram page about a year ago or so when they first came out with it on their site, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I don't usually buy a lot of makeup that is indie for the sole purpose of, you know, I can't go in store and swatch it. I can't swatch it, and if something's wrong, I have to wait for shipping and their customer service and everything, and I don't want to go through that. But when they came into Ulta, I jumped on it, even though it's like a $39 highlighter palette. But let's get into these products. So first, I've been using the face oil with or without makeup. It has a lot of great oils in it. This is what the bottle looks like. It has one of those push top droppers, and it says baking tips: gently massage 2 or 3 drops onto clean skin, allow the baking oil to absorb into skin before applying makeup. So that's what I've been doing. Again, even when I'm not applying makeup, I've still been doing that. So let's grab like 3 drops of it, and I just massage it into my hands, and then I press and up, and it's been doing really great things. I've had this for over a week now, and I've been using it all the time, like day and night, because in the winter time my skin really does appreciate oils. So while that sits, I'm going to pull out some foundation. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir foundation, and I am in the shade 710 Classic Ivory. And the oil's been great because I've been using it as a primer and a moisturizer. It actually works really well. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of concealer, and I'm going to conceal. This is the Too Faced Multi Sculpting Concealer. I'm just gonna. All right, moving on. We're gonna dip into the flour, which is the baking powder. It's so cute that it comes in a little flower thing. I will have all the prices and everything listed down below. I think this was $38 and I think this was $22. I will have them listed down below. This is, ooh, it's only half an ounce. That's kind of pricey, huh? But I have been liking this flour. It's very, very, very soft. It's so soft. It's so soft, and I've been really liking it. I didn't realize that it was only half an ounce. You know, some people like a cinched waist. I like a cinched nose. Because there's no cinching my waist. Oh my god, this looks so funny. Okay. Just powder it all. So I'm going to let that sit for a couple minutes. And then I'm going to go in and do my bronzer blush. I'll be back to put some highlighter on. Stick around for that. All right, so welcome back. I finished my bronzer and blush. I don't have oh my gosh, these hands, stop. All right, the blush that I use had some sheen in it, and so did the finishing powder, but I'm going to go in with some serious highlighting right now. So we're going to dip into this guy right here. Such pretty packaging. And this is the Milk and Honey highlighting palette. That's like honeycomb. By Bakerie. Duh. And no mirror, but that's all right. It's a highlighter palette. Let's flip that backwards. Oof, everything is so reflective. Okay, look at those. What? Okay, look at this little guy. Look at this. Okay, so we have Oh Honey, Queen Being, spoiler alert, and Be Sweet. So I'm going to like dim my light a little bit and show you guys some swatches real quick before we apply them to the face. There we go. So let's do a little swatching. This is Oh Honey. I'm going to do it here because my hand is a little darker here. Ugh. Okay. Then we're going to go into, let me wipe my hand out. We're going to go into Spoiler Alert. Gosh, okay. Then Queen Being. It's like a beautiful bronze. Okay, and then lastly, we have Be Sweet. And this says Milk and Honey on it. Oh, wow. So those are the 4 shades right there. They're so soft. Oh, so pretty. All right. So I think I'm going to keep my light down, and we're actually going to go ahead and apply these to the face and see what they look like on the face. Oh my gosh, so I don't know what shade I want to go in with. I think we'll go in with all of them, actually. Sorry, my strap was doing a flippity doo-dah thingy. All right, so I'm going to grab this brush right here, and this is the Morphe M510 brush. And I kind of want to go in with the pink. Let's go in with Oh Honey, okay? All over this cheek. It's there, but it's not bam. Maybe it's the brush. Let's try this one right here. This is the Sigma Powder Sweep F06 brush. Oh, I feel like this is picking up better. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Woo, definitely better. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so let's pick this up and like kind of wrap it around the eye. Okay. Oof. Let's do that on the other side. How pretty. Okay, so I'm going to take Be Sweet down here, and I'm going to put that on the nose and down the bridge of the nose. So cool how the light catches it, really. Let's do a little bit of Cupid style. I said a little. What the heck is that? I look like I have a firefly on top of my light, on top of my lip. All right, and I'll put a little bit down there. Okay, then let's take Queen Being and pop that along right underneath the brow bone. Right on the brow bone. I really like this palette. It's very, gives off a very nice sheen, but it's not glittery. It's not glittery at all. It's very almost metallic. Lastly, I'm going to take Spoiler Alert, and we're going to pop it right in the middle of the highlighter that we already have on our cheeks. Well, on my cheek. Woo! What? 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 Guys, come on! I knew I loved this when I saw it. Yes. I knew I loved you before I met you. You guys remember that song? Here, I'll play a little clip of it. I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I love that song too. Anytime I listen to that song, my husband's like, how is that even possible? I'm like, it's a song. I think it's beautiful, okay? Yeah. And I have texture, and this is not emphasizing my texture. I really like this. Are you blind? Bang! Like lightning bolts in my cheeks. So yes, let me zoom you guys out so we can do a little bit of a roundup on the products that I used today. And I can tell you what I think. All right, so first time trying out Beauty Bakerie, I gotta say their products are phenomenal. They're a little bit overpriced, but that's understandable for an indie brand. Maybe over time they'll be able to lower them a little bit. I don't know, probably not. But this oil is really great. I've really been enjoying it because I have the Tarte Maracuja oil, and that smells like, I love it. It does great things, but it smells like oil. Like it's very heavy or like musky scented. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys know what I'm talking about. It's like very heavy scented, like an oil. This has a very like almost citrusy scent, so it's nice and light, and I've been enjoying it a lot. Also, my skin just really soaks it all up, but it's a really great oil, and I've been enjoying it, like I said, with or without makeup. It's been really good to me. This flower I'm really liking. It's very soft, very finely milled. I've used it a few times now, and I'm really liking it. It sets my makeup. It keeps my makeup set, but it's small. I didn't realize how small it was, and it is small, so it's expensive for the price, and it's adorable. It comes in this like little flower bag, which is so cute, but how long are you going to keep the flower bag around for? You know, as soon as you open it, you're like tossing the package away. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about this. I really like it. I think it's a finer milled than a lot of other powders that I've felt. But I don't know. I'm kind of so-so on this. Like it's nice, but it's not miraculous. The oils will still start to seep in. Maybe it is very good for baking though. I will say I really liked it for baking. It does brighten a little bit even though it's translucent. I haven't seen any like it's still not, even though it's translucent, it's not white. It's like an off-white, so it won't give you that flashback, which is nice. So I don't know. That's all right. It's all right for me. This guy I love that there's the variety with shades from the, from the white champagne shade to like a little bit of a golden shade to like a bronze shade and then the pink shade. I really like the variety in this palette, and I like that the powders are soft and buttery, almost creamy, and they don't emphasize my texture. And on top of that, I love that they're not glittery. They are metallic, but I don't see like any like pieces of glitter. It's just very flattering. It's a very, very flattering highlighting palette. So I really like it. So that's all I have for you guys today. My first order from anything beauty bakery. I think it was quite a successful one. I will continue to use these products. They will all be top shelf products that I will be using all the time, which I'm super excited about. Please let me know in the comment section below if you've tried anything from Beauty Bakerie, or if you plan on trying anything out and you've had success with other products. Let me know what they are in the comment section below so that maybe I can check them out. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you'll subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments. Like I said, if you have anything to say in the comment section below, check out my other videos before you leave. Go ahead, go ahead. If you click on them now, I won't be mad. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.